If you're listening to this and it feels like saving money is impossible, like no matter how hard you try, you're always behind, or maybe you believe you started too late and time is slipping away, then listen very carefully. I'm not here to comfort you with false hope. I'm here to give you a roadmap. This is a strict 12-month recovery plan. From today until this exact time next year, your life is going to be rebuilt step by step. But there is one non-negotiable rule. You cannot skip steps. You cannot rush ahead. And you absolutely cannot think about investing until the groundwork is done. This plan works only if every link in the chain stays strong. Give me 1 year of discipline. Treat this like your future depends on it. Because it does. 1 year from now, your life will not look the same. Let's be honest. If you realize you're in a hole, the smartest move is to stop digging. So we start with the first 3 months, the survival phase. In the first month, I want only one thing from you: brutal honesty. You are going to audit your money like a ruthless accountant. Most people aren't broke because they earn too little. They're broke because their money leaks. It's like pouring water into a bucket with a hole at the bottom. You can earn more, but if you spend even $1 more than you make, you're still losing. Pull out your bank statements from the last 3 months. Go through every transaction. Circle everything that isn't essential to staying alive. Subscriptions you don't use. Convenience spending. That car payment meant to impress people you don't even care about. Cut it. All of it. Don't talk to me about comfort right now. You're not in comfort mode. You're in survival mode. Every unnecessary dollar you spend is a dollar stolen from your future freedom. Even if you only save a small amount this month, that's a win. It proves you're back in control. In the second month, we deal with the physical evidence of bad decisions. Look around your home. The clutter didn't appear by magic. It's money you already spent on things you didn't need. Now we turn those mistakes into oxygen. Go through your closet, your drawers, your garage, old electronics, unused items, anything collecting dust. Sell it. This month is about turning clutter into cash. But more importantly, it's a mindset shift. You'll learn a powerful lesson. Price is what you paid. Value is what you received. Right now, the only value that matters is cash in hand. By the end of this month, I want you holding money that didn't exist before. That cash is your reset button. In the third month, we build protection. The money you saved and the cash you raised now serve one purpose: safety. Without a financial buffer, life will keep knocking you back into debt. A car repair, a medical bill, one bad week at work, that's all it takes. This month, your goal is to build an emergency fund covering 3 months of basic living expenses. Put it somewhere separate and pretend it doesn't exist. Do not invest it. Do not spend it. Do not use it to feel smart. This money isn't for growth. It's for peace of mind. It's your shield. You can't fight forward until you're protected. By the end of these 3 months, you're not rich, but you've stopped the bleeding. Now, we switch gears. Defense is set. It's time to go on offense. Month 4 is about eliminating the real enemy, high-interest debt. If you're carrying credit card debt, investing is pointless. You're trying to build wealth while a fire is burning behind you. Focus every extra dollar on the highest interest debt first. Ignore balances. Attack interest rates. Every dollar you use to kill high-interest debt is a guaranteed return you won't find anywhere else. This month, debt elimination is your only hobby. Month 5 shifts to income. You can't build wealth with a small shovel. If you started late, waiting for slow raises won't save you. This month is about increasing your earning power. Learn a valuable skill. Get certified. Take extra work. Have a serious conversation with your employer about what would make you worth more. Don't ask for a raise. Ask how to become more valuable. Income growth plus controlled spending is where freedom is born. Month 6 is dangerous. This is when relief shows up. Maybe a card is paid off. Maybe income is higher. Your brain will whisper that you deserve a reward. Ignore it. This is lifestyle creep trying to kill your progress. Lock your spending exactly where it was in month 1. Even if income increases, spending does not. This isn't punishment. It's acceleration. You're compressing decades of progress into 1 year. Stand firm. The first half fixed the past. The second half builds the future. In month 7, you learn the difference between investing and gambling. When people feel behind, they chase fast wins. Hot stocks, crypto hype, risky bets. That urge will destroy you. Your job this month is boring on purpose. You invest in low-cost, broad market funds. You're betting on the long-term growth of real businesses, not luck. Stop trying to be clever. Patience beats intelligence in the market. Month 8 removes emotion from the process. Humans panic when markets fall and get greedy when they rise. That's why automation exists. Set up automatic transfers for saving and investing the moment your income arrives. Before you see it, before you touch it. Wealth should be invisible. If you rely on willpower, you will eventually fail. Systems don't fail. Month 9 is about the asset behind all your assets, your body and mind. You only get one. If stress, illness, or burnout takes you out, your income and investments stop. This month, invest in your health. Get checked, move daily, eat better. You're building a future. Make sure you're alive to enjoy it. Now comes the final stretch. Month 10 attacks the real root problem, external validation. Many people stay broke trying to impress others. Expensive cars, branded clothes, lifestyle upgrades. If you started late, you can't afford that game. Switch to an inner scorecard. Measure success by progress, not applause. True wealth is silent. It's options. It's freedom. Month 11 is pure endurance. The excitement is gone. The routine feels boring. That's the test. Compounding rewards consistency, not excitement. This month, change nothing. Do nothing new. Stay the course. Boredom is the price of success. Month 12 is the review. Look at who you were a year ago and who you are now. Less debt. More control. Better habits. You're not finished, you're just ready. Write the plan for year 2. Increase investments. Push income higher. The momentum is finally working for you. You may feel like you started late. Maybe you did, but the best time to take control was years ago. The second best time is right now. You have the map. You have the system. The only thing left is execution. Don't betray your future self. Get to work.